I don't know if it's me or the people of South Africa are ignorant. I'm really not sure if it's me or the people are ignorant. We don't have a government in South Africa. When you check most of the buildings that used to be government buildings where you can go and fix your things, especially in the Joburg and the Gauteng province, you'll find out they say that, for instance, the Department of Health, they would say it is moved from this building to that building, and then the city of Joburg, the main head office at Braamfontein is also closed. The CSD is closed. The Department of Education has moved, and they can't tell you where exactly it is moved. So, like, I don't know what are people waiting for? What are you really waiting for to see that we don't have a government in South Africa? I want to give a task to people in other provinces, ne? In other provinces. Maybe if you are in Mpumalanga, go to where it used to be a Department of Education, the head office, or Department of Health, and check to see if there are people there working in those offices, and come back and tell us that there is a government in South Africa. We are in danger. We are in great danger. If you don't wake up, these criminals are going to take their monies offshore, and they are going to desert or abandon the country if we do not wake up in time. But this is like since 2020, this pattern has been happening since 2020. CSD, no, it is no longer here. It has moved to that side. When you go to that side, they tell you other stories. Department of Education, it has moved to that other side, especially Gauteng province. It has moved to that other office, commissioner. When you go to commissioner, it's not there. They write an email where you can. How can you work from home? For almost like since 2020, you've been working from home. You are earning while you're working from home. You can't help people. I don't know, but this, for me, it's danger. I don't know if I'm overthinking or I'm paranoid, but there is no government in South Africa. There is no government. There is no one to hold accountable. We just have people there earning, sitting at home, earning for doing nothing, because nothing is happening besides the president and the politicians twerking on social media and on TV to project a false image that there is a government in South Africa. Thank you.